I've chosen to take the lid, cut it around the outside rim so it'll just fit in the bottom of the bucket. I'll make a notch on each. I make two, one for the water inlet and the other one just for ventilation, get more dirt down to the bottom so it can wick up into the soil. Been using hose. It's inexpensive and I've got a lot of it. I have several broken hoses, some very dull razor blade knives. To get the hose cut, and then you need to get a bottle, and then you need a screw. You drill or screw into the cap, and that will hold the hose in place. Then get your razor blade, cut off the top of the bottle, and I found that if you cut the top of the bottle off first, it'll be kind of difficult to get to this point. If you cut this off first, then try to screw it, likes to roll all around, is a real pain, so that's what I recommend. In the bottom of the bucket, I'll put a piece of wood that I've cut just to slide in. And I'll line up the hole just to the side of the wood, and the ends can fold down to the sides, and that'll fit in there nicely. And screw that screw right into the sidewall there, and it'll hold everything straight up. Now that I have the hose attached to the side of the bucket, I'll take and bend the sides down just a bit, give it a little bit of an angle. I can fill it with dirt, but only halfway. You want to form, and you really can't see it, a hill in the middle, so that when you plant the asparagus, it spreads evenly over top of the hill. Try and spread the little roots out all over the hill. They reach down the sides. Now, I don't know exactly why you do it. I'm assuming it's for root rot, which these get fairly easily. And you don't completely cover. You want to leave about half the bucket, and then as it sprouts up, you'll fill some more until you get to the top of the bucket, and then your asparagus will go straight off the top and hopefully be nice, thick shoots for eating. And then at this point, throw a little water in there, and dribble a little on the plant here, and wait for the roots to show. Now, you do want to put, we're about 1.5 inches up from the bottom, a little drain hole. I'm going to do 2 side by side, and then I'll have also some gravity feed water dripping into the bucket, so I won't have to water it as often.